Well, thanks for clicking and watching this video. And to my one subscriber, thank you. So today I'm going to be unbagging So Susan Cosmetics Color Curate. And it comes in a pink bag. So the items that come included are vegan and cruelty-free. In here I have, they give you their own little makeup bag. So this is a monthly subscription of $20.95 every month. And it includes 3 to 4 full-sized items. You also get a card included, which details the items that come in the bag as well as the cost. The bag itself apparently retails for $12. This month for January, we have a Trifle Cosmetics Summer Souffle Face and Body Bronzing Primer. This retails for $14.95. So this is it, the souffle. So that's the color. It's prime, shall we? I do have to say, it smells fantastic. Yeah, it dries out a lot faster than I'm used to for a primer, but you know, if it does its job, I guess I'm not really mad at it. We have an item from Pong Cosmetics, and this is a Hummingbird multi-finish eyeshadow palette. I like the casing. It's really pretty. And then opening it up, a decent sized mirror. Alright, so you have a Bonfire, Road Trip, and Dark Side. And this palette runs for $35. So that's Bonfire. It's like a dark brown and a brick shimmer is what Bonfire is. So this is what it looks like on my face. This side looks a little bit darker than this side because I used a wet brush on this side just to see if the colors would perform differently. But this, I think it's beautiful. It actually does not come out as a dark brown. The dark brown kind of looks black to me. And then the brick shimmer kind of almost looks like a really reddish lavender. But maybe it's because I'm just wearing a purple headband, so, you know, you tell me. But this is the first color. And so we're moving on to Road Trip, a metal ruby, and a coral luster. Yeah, so that's the metal. Whoa, look at that red. I don't know if that's a ruby. It's definitely like a... So this is Road Trip, and I gotta say, I love it. If anyone had told me that pink and coral would make my eyes look so dark, I would never have believed it. It looks stunning. I'm about to go out tonight and try this out, see if I can get me a date or get me some free drinks. Last two is called Dark Side. And this is going to be a mix of blue, gray, and onyx. Whoa. So that's the blue, gray, and the onyx. Those are all 6 colors in this palette. And this is the last combination of colors. And it's called Dark Side. Dark Side is a mix of blue, gray, and onyx. So Susan Cosmetics Dream Maker. And this is a light shifting highlighting cream. And this runs $29. I'm so over highlighters. 1, I don't know how to use them. And 2, they're so expensive. How many highlighters do you really need? And this is what it looks like. So Susan Cosmetics, and it's a Pearl Fantasy. And I'm glad that it has this little itty bitty applicator. Because if there's one thing I've learned about highlighters is that a little goes a very long way. And you can actually see where I've applied it. It's a pink shimmer. Oh, you can't see nothing on this side. I think I went ham on this side. So I'll put a little bit more just so you can see how it goes down. So I don't know if $29 is worth it. But, you know, it's not my decision to make. So lastly, we have another item from Pong Cosmetics, Patine Metallic Lipstick. And it's in the color Talisman. And this bad boy goes for $22. Well, I gotta say, the case looks phenomenal. I love that purple shimmer. Oh, whoa. Okay. So there it is. That's the lip patine. Alright, so my lips are lined. Let's see how Jelly Pong Pong acts up with its talisman color. It's grinding on really smooth, but I'm not sure if it's because I just put on a lip balm or that's its consistency. That was everything included in So Susan Cosmetics Color Curate. Everything came to a grand total of $112.95, which is good. Sadly, I wasn't really a fan of everything. If you're interested in subscribing to them, like I said, it's $20.95. I'll put a link down below. As you can see behind me, I have a lot more boxes and bags available, so there are going to be a lot more videos coming. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Cheers.